Hey everyone, welcome to today's video. Hope you people are doing good. Do you want to know about Bigman 1802 UK reviews? If yes, then watch this video till the end because this unbiased review will help you decide either you should buy anything from this store or not. So let's check out the deal. Bigman is an online website that is dealing with products using goat milk as their raw material. They have revealed their story of how goat milk is essential and beneficial for the skin, transforming the use of these products with wide range of options. Bigman deals with milk soaps, deodorant, body creams, hand and body wash, CBD, and various other related products. The website has been trading over 13 years with millions of associated customers. Let's check out the specification of this website. It deals with skincare products prepared from goat milk. They have mentioned their email address. The website is HTTPS website. Contact detail have been mentioned. Physical address have been mentioned. The website takes around 3 to 5 business days to ship its order. Flat $5 shipping on all their order. As far as delivery is concerned, after a few days or order shipment based on the shipping method, like that needs the time as per your location, you can return the product within 30 days. The positive point of the website are the website domain age is quite long, more than 18 years. The website has social media presence and it has a very good and appealing social media presence. The website's contact details are mentioned properly over the web page. The negative point of the website are the website's refund policies are not mentioned in clear notes. In addition, the total days of delivery took by the website are not mentioned. Question here is Bigman 1802 UK legit? As we are checking out the details, we found that it is a old website. It was launched back 13 years old. The social media presence of the platform is also too strong with thousands of followers over the platform. The website scored 70% trust score. It is good and it goes in favor of the platform. Multiple reviews could be found on internet regarding Bigman 1802 UK. Product reviews of the website can be scrolled down on the internet. Contact details of the website are mentioned in detail over the platform. Details about the policies of the website are mentioned in detail over the web page. The various articles has been published by Forbes and other renowned pages of this brand's awareness. So when we are going for the customer review, we found many link favor the platform. These are all directed to the website reviews, and most of the reviews of the website are positive with customer appreciating the product and benefits from the same. Trustpilot reviews for the platform are also appreciable as the website has ranked on top by platform. So in our final verdict, we can say that the website is entirely legit. You can go and shop from this store. You can trust entirely and blindly on the website. And if you have a personal experience of shopping from Bigman 1802, please share your views and experience with us. Write in the comment box. We love to hear from you.